Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we give you a couple of tips on Pinterest SEO strategies. 3 Pinterest SEO strategies for your organic traffic, because content creation is important, keywords are very important, and trends also are important. But let's start from keywords. You have to do the research before you pin your pins, put it on a Word document, Excel, whatever is easier for you. Check what keywords you're gonna find that they will rank high on Pinterest for your content, and then you can pin your pins. It's good if you do a little research before, so you don't have to do everything last minute, and it's good, I say that to you, to put a lot of pins out there. Pin maybe 50 pins, like schedule a lot, new content, because it is going to push your organic traffic to, smart fit. The thing is that, of course, you're gonna get click. You need to make sure that you're doing the right thing, because it's taking time to get some really good traffic, and you know that very well. And also, it's good for you to have the research, so you wouldn't really struggle and find like 2-3 keywords, if you understand what I mean. Don't put the same keywords, perhaps do a really good research, because it is going to help you after 1 month, because the results are showing from views, and then you get more traffic every day. So make sure you do that. Second tip will be content creation. The thing is that we are creating content and pins and videos and whatever you put out there for your Etsy shop, for your Shopify shop, but you need to actually have a strategy on why, for example, people they're searching for Halloween costumes or Christmas or whatever product you are selling, or skincare. You have to do a research. Read the Pinterest blog, do a little bit of research, take some ideas, because there is a lot of content from Pinterest on the blog that you can learn. So before you actually put your content, check your audience, see your analytics, see what your audience like and why they like that. Check your boards, what boards are performing well, what they're not performing well, if you know what I mean. So check all those things out and then put your contents, because it's good to get like the views, but you remember what I told you. You need to make sure, what are you asking for Pinterest? It's the same thing with ads. Do you want more views? Do you want just traffic, or you want clicks, or you just want... So you need to make sure that you are customizing everything that will help you, increase your visibility and grow your brand, because it's all about on Pinterest to grow your brand rather than, just get a couple of sales or views or, all that. So grow your brand and be consistent, but do your research. Check what people are there searching for, and do it like, again, put it on a Word document, whatever you think, put it on a file so you have it there. Third is Pinterest Trends. That is very important, because now Pinterest Trends has all keywords, what is top ranking on Pinterest, what is second ranking on Pinterest. Do very good research in there, and again, put it on a Word document for every pin and every content that you pin out there, so you get a lot of clicks, and also to get followers, because remember, the more people see your pins, the better for you, so you get followers. It's also a strategy to increase your followers. Don't forget that everybody started from zero, so if you just started on Pinterest, don't worry, don't stress. Make sure you have a good account and you set up your account correctly, so you get a lot of you get a good impression on Pinterest that you are a quality pinner. So those are a couple of tips for you to finish the new year, and then focus on the new year, like your strategies on what you're gonna pin, and you get more organic traffic. So that's it for me today. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below, and have a great day.